Welcome. I'm going to introduce you to the concept of presets in Alight Motion. Presets are very powerful because it allows us to reuse animation, and that's very powerful because animation on its own takes time. So when you've created an animation on a layer, it makes more sense if you're able to copy that animation and apply it on another layer. Now, if you take a look at this star layer I have here, if I scroll through, you can see that there's already an animation on it. There's a keyframe, that is the position was animated. And if we go to the effect, you can see we have a spin effect too on it. Now these are just simple examples, but as you keep working on much more complex projects, a single layer can have a complex animation, and you recreating that same animation on another layer will be time consuming. So now let's say I want to apply this same animation on another layer without having to recreate all of this from scratch. Now to create the preset, click on the layer, click here, and you see we have save preset. So click on it. Most of the time you want to rename your preset for easy identification purpose. If you don't want to, you can just dismiss. But let's just rename it. And let me just call it star animation. So make sure you always give your preset a meaningful name. It's very important. So click done. So now let's say we want to apply this animation to another layer. Let's turn off this layer. Let's go here and let's just add, maybe let's add this. Let's change the color. Okay, so let's add this layer. Now we want to add that preset to this layer. So click, and you can see we have a tab here that says presets. So you click on it. If you have multiple presets, you'll find them here. But this is the one we just created, which is the star animation. So you click and you can start previewing the animation. You see, it already copies the animation of the star. Now just click apply. Now if you take a look at the timeline, the keyframes even match. So that's the power of preset. So preset just copies the animation on this layer, both the keyframe animation and the effects, and apply it to this layer. Now we don't have to redo this same animation over and over again. Now if I turn this on, you can see that the animation is in sync. So that's the power of preset. And you can also export your presets. Let's say you want to export it to a friend or to a colleague that you're working with to also use it in their animation. It's very simple. Just click and let's go to the presets. You can click here. You can delete your preset. You can rename it and you can export it. Take a look at your animation. Look at it. Is this animation something I want to reuse in different places, in different projects? If yes, just create a preset and you are good to go. Thank you.